The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58:11. Isn't that a beautiful image? It reminds me of how important it is to cultivate our spiritual spaces too. Just like a garden, our souls need tending and nurturing to truly blossom. When we create a space of peace and reflection, we invite growth and tranquility into our lives. Today we're exploring 35 creative ideas for your spiritual garden. Whether you have a backyard or a balcony, I hope these ideas inspire you to create a sacred space that nourishes your soul. Chapter 1. Imagine a place where even the garden gnomes meditate. Yes, it's that peaceful. Let's dive in and find your zen, one quirky step at a time. Chapter 2. Find peace and tranquility in a dedicated meditation corner. Chapter 3. A simple bench becomes a sacred space for peaceful prayer. Rake patterns in sand, finding peace in each moment. Chapter 4. The soothing sound of water. Let a water fountain's gentle music wash over you, bringing peace and calm. Chapter 5. A labyrinth for the soul. Walk a winding path, finding clarity and peace with each step. Chapter 6. Surround yourself with figures of peace. Chapter 7. Sense of serenity. Plant aromatic herbs that calm the mind and uplift the spirit, bringing peace. The earth's energy. Healing stones and crystals bring harmony. Chapter 9. Feathered friends. Invite joy with a bird feeder. Chapter 10. Music on the breeze. Let the soothing wind chimes carry all your worries away on the gentle wind. Chapter 11. Sacred geometry. Design your garden with sacred patterns. Chapter 12. A touch of whimsy. Create a fairy garden, a reminder of magic, wonder, and endless imagination. Chapter 13. Grounding stones. Find your center here. Chapter 14. Words of wisdom. Let quotes guide your thoughts. Chapter 15. A flutter of hope. Attract butterflies with blooms. Chapter 16. Evening ambiance. Candle lanterns create a magical glow. Chapter 17. Yoga under the open sky. Find your flow and peace in a dedicated outdoor yoga space. Chapter 18. A spiritual pathway. Each step leads to peace. Chapter 19. Grow plants with healing properties. Chapter 20. Reflections of peace. Gaze into a reflecting pool. Chapter 21. Art that speaks to the soul. Surround yourself with art that inspires, uplifts, and speaks to your inner being. Find peace in a meditation hut. Balance your chakras with a vibrant garden. Chapter 24. Create a weatherproof bookshelf for spiritual books. Chapter 25. Healing vibrations. Incorporate sound healing for deeper connection. Chapter 26. A moon garden glows with ethereal beauty. Chapter 27. Symbols of faith. Hang spiritual flags in the breeze. Chapter 28. Create a garden altar for offerings. Chapter 29. A journey of inspiration. Let each step on this path be filled with mindful intention and purpose. Serenity in motion. A meditation pond invites peace. Chapter 31. Solar-powered lights create a magical glow. Nature's art. Create mandalas with natural elements. Chapter 33. Finding comfort. Comfortable seating invites reflection. Chapter 34. Gentle reminders. Bells chime softly, calling you to the present. Chapter 35. Document your spiritual journey in a garden journal. Outgrow your spiritual garden awaits. Thank you for joining us on this journey through creative ideas for your spiritual garden. We hope you found inspiration to create your own sacred space, a place to connect with your inner self. Remember, your spiritual garden reflects your unique journey. Don't be afraid to experiment and let it evolve over time. Like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Happy gardening!